Welcome to 7297 James Street in Mobile, Alabama. This new construction home is a gold fortified home. It features 3 bedrooms with 2.5 baths. It's almost 1,900 square feet, and this home features luxury vinyl plank throughout. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances with a gas range. This home offers a lot of natural light. These French doors lead out to the covered patio with a huge backyard. Gas logs in the living room here. This is a split floor plan. There's 2 bedrooms and 1 hall bath on this side of the home. The hall bath features dual vanities with a tub and shower combo. Here's the 3rd bedroom overlooking the backyard. There's a nice sized linen closet just outside of the hallway bath. You have a bonus room here just off of the foyer for a home office or a playroom for the kids. It's a convenient mud room area here just off the garage. Storage space for a pantry and a coat closet, a half bath. And here's your laundry room. Welcome to the primary suite. You will love the primary bath with dual vanities, a fabulous soaking tub, and a freestanding shower, and a huge walk-in closet. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can give you a free market analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, my social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.